The Crypto Markets Update is presented by Grayscale, the world's largest digital currency asset manager.
Time for our live look at Bitcoin. The CoinDesk Bitcoin price XPX index is currently trading at 37,721. Bitcoin is up about 2.3% over the past 24 hours, and the CoinDesk Ether price ETX index right now at 2743. ETH is up almost 7% over the past 24 hours. And joining us now to discuss the crypto markets is Michele Schneider, Managing Director at MarketGauge in New Mexico. Welcome to the show, Michele. So just at the top, what is your outlook on Bitcoin? It's kind of looking sluggish between this 30 to 40,000 range, unable to break this 40 resistance. How long do you think we'll be stuck here?
Well, that's kind of hard to say, but I am happy as a somewhat technical trader that we've seen a reduction in the volatility right here because we actually have a trading range to look at. That's good news. So everyone's looking at the 40,500 mark is the place for it to break out. What's been interesting in terms of the charts is Bitcoin has made lower highs and higher lows. So it's forming almost like a wedge pattern. So we're on hold here, but still very interested in potentially not only going long Bitcoin, but also looking at Ethereum again, which we were in and have been aside now in the last couple of weeks. So I do believe that we will see it go up at some point. However, like I said, to me, I think patience right now is probably not the worst thing in the world.
So Michele, is this a buying opportunity and are trusts getting more competitive? We see more and more trusts popping up. Any trading at a discount? Which is your preferred one?
Definitely the trusts for us, only because I have a lot of people who don't still really understand how to go and buy the actual coin, which is something I think we talked about the last time. So we've been doing very well. We haven't touched GBTC in a while, but we've done ETHE as a trust, and we're looking at that today again to see what happens around the 26 to 27 level. Again, patience being key. And also Coin, actually, COIN, has been an interesting instrument trying to bottom out here. So there are definitely opportunities if you don't want to look specifically at doing the coin. And that's, of course, just for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Once you're getting into some of the other coins like XRP and Stellar, et cetera, you have to go to the direct coin. And that's really where the growth will be, because right now I think there's a tremendous number of people who are totally in the dark on how to do that, because it's complicated.
Michele, there's been so much drama over the past few weeks, with China and Elon Musk. And I guess, is there anything, what's just catching your eye now? Because it kind of seems like things have sort of calmed down.
Well, the mining issue, I was just listening to the gentleman on before you. The mining issue is definitely an issue, although there has been an interesting development there with Canaan, which is a Chinese mining Bitcoin company, coming out and urging that China relax the restrictions for green energy. And so I think this green energy fight was something that we'll see continue. And Canaan, the stock itself, which is the symbol CAN, did very, very well as a result. If that gets more resolved, I think that will be a boost to the whole industry. But the news in terms of the crypto space continues. Guggenheim actually just announced a new fund that will have some dedication to crypto. As you know, some of these old timers, last time we talked about Charlie Munger. Well, now you have Carl Icahn, who said that he's looking at crypto. Ray Dalio said he'd rather be in crypto than in U.S. bonds. So to me, the whole space really still is positive. And another comment I heard earlier in the show is no matter what restrictions get put on, whether it's from the SEC or the U.S. government or the Chinese government, there are workarounds, and they come out every single day. Wall Street Bets now coming out with sort of an idea of doing a DeFi crypto exchange. So yeah, there'll be workarounds all the time.
Michele, aside from Coinbase and the trusts, what are your three stock picks right now that are related to crypto?
Well, Riot actually had a really good day yesterday. We're looking at Marathon as well, which again is related more to the mining situation. And Square, all of these things have really gotten sort of hammered through this drop, and they may be presenting as good opportunities. Again, I would probably be a little bit more patient because I want to see if crypto can hold over 37,000, if Ethereum can hold over 2,500, and if we start to eke our way up higher, those stocks would be interesting plays.